Okay, so this is the first part, and this is the front suspension. So you can see for this part of the instruction manual, it is telling us that actually we need the two suspension arms for the front, and we also need this part here, which is given, and we need the E-clips, which are given within the screw bag, and we also need these suspension pins, which are here as well. So you just need these 4 bags, and now we can get going. So first thing you need to do is take a look at the manual and actually just lay it out, first of all, how it's shown within the book. So it goes this way, and you need to make sure you get the left and the right ones the correct way round as well. So you can see it's going to go this way. So these two go here, and then in the middle we have this part. So let me get this one out. One goes there. Okay, and then all that's in between is the suspension. Take your 2 suspension pins and slide this part in, and then all we need to do is install this one. So you may need to get some pliers so you can do it properly, and slide it through. And now all we need to do is get 2 E-clips, one for either side. So the E-clips are actually in the screw bag here, and E-clips are a real pain actually. So we've got 2 E-clips, and all we need to do is put one on this side. To make it easier, I actually like to put the thing so it's flush to the plastic, and then you can try to get it on. Make sure you don't lose any, otherwise you'll be short. All I've done basically is put in the 4 E-clips with the 2 suspension pins, and now this part is ready. Next instruction is this part, which is in this bag here, and you can see all we need to do is put this one on here and install these 2 bullet point screws. So let's get to it. Let's find the correct screws, and then we will find the parts. But first we need to install the ball studs. Okay, so this is 2mm hex, and we need to put one into here and one into here. So let me do it. Just install it. So because this is plastic thread, then we don't really need to actually use thread lock, but you can if you want. Doesn't do any harm to use it, but personally I don't actually bother with this one because you're using metal into the plastic parts. No need to over tighten them either. So now the metal studs are in, you can see now it's telling us that we need to actually sit this part on here, and then 4 screws are going to come through the front chassis brace and up into this part. So here we have the parts. First we need to put this one here. Okay, then this one goes on next, like this, and then on top of this one we need this one. Okay, and finally we need this one. So these screws have got to go through a few things, but what I recommend you do is put them through the bottom first. So we'll put them in here. 1, second one, third one, and 4th one. And then all we need to do is now put them through here. Okay, that's this bit, and then through this bit, like this, finally they need to screw into this part here. So find the position, you can just screw it up, do it diagonally, small bit at a time. Okay, so now you can see this is securely on there. So that is this part of the build actually done. Simples.